when you know you are divine, when you know you are beautiful, when you know you are selfless, when you know you are worthy, when you know that this battle is not yours, when you know your purpose, when you know to have a grateful heart, when you know to peace be still, when you know this too shall pass, when you know your future is more amazing than what the amazingness you're experiencing now, when you know to just smile, when you know to just peace be still, when you know that it's beauty to the T, and that's your whole life, baby. Stay beautiful to you. Are you aware that you cannot control how others think of you? Are you aware that the way that other people see you has nothing to do with you, especially the way that they see you does not align with what you are or who you are? Do you understand that a hater is someone who is not happy with themselves? So when the hate don't work, of course they're going to start telling lies. What do you do in that instance when you have everyone or a lot of different people coming at you from all different angles because they see the power you possess? They see the energy that you carry, and you carry it well, that the jealousy, the envy, it just overtakes their mental because they want to be you. It's something in you that they want, that they wish they can have, that they wish they could possess, that they wish they had the strength to even endure when they don't even know what it's like to walk in your shoes. And I'm certain that they won't even be able to walk in your shoes for an hour, let alone a day. But I'm here to tell you that the way people see you has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with you. So you are not supposed to sit back and worry about any of those things that may be said about you. It's when they stop talking about you, that's when you have a problem. Until then, shine bright like the diamond you are. Dance in the midst of the storm, because that's what I do. I love to shake my tail feather or whatever and dance, through it all. You know what I mean? Even though I can't really dance like that or whatever. Like, I ain't got the dancing bone in my body. I'm really stiff on the low, and it surprises my family. It surprises my goddamn self. But I accept who I am, flaws and all. You understand me? Like, I stand truth with truth. I stand in truth. I stand authentically being me, TalijahMaleekah. And that's what they can't stand. Okay? They do not like the fact that I embrace who I am. Okay? What they know me or of me a year ago, a day ago, is not who I am now. And the problem is because they don't have access to me, they don't know that. And it's not for them to know that. So they're going to harbor on the past TalijahMaleekah. And I'm okay with that. You understand? The difference is your mind believes everything you tell it. And if you always tell it positive things, listen, you're on your way for greatness, for success. You understand? Like, I don't mind being amongst the wildflower. Like, I don't mind being authentically who I am. I don't mind all the chatter. I'm human. Some chatter from certain people do bother me, but I dance in the midst of that. Like, I regroup, okay? I refocus. And I keeps it pushing. You understand me? Because it's something in me that they wish they can have. They wish they had the confidence that I have. They wish they had the drive that they have. They wish they had the praying warrior abilities that I have. Peace be unto you. It's how I hit them off, you feel me? You gotta say peace be unto you, baby. You feel me? He got 99 problems and the biggest one is me. He got all these little chis and the biggest one is me. Keep a mug up on my face and I know they trying to get the tea. I don't be fucked up by nothing cause I be smoking weed. It's cool to have a man but I ain't something I need. It's cool to have a man, but it ain't something I need. Hey, it's cool to have a man, but that ain't something I need. And sweetie, if you want little buddy back, you're gonna have to tell me, please. Money, loan check, but see, good check. Let's go. Mama straight. Right now, I'm feeling blessed. And can't a soul take that from me.